Boy. Boy, do I love Cat Throw Up Thursday. Dad? Hey, Junior. Why you eating Cat Throw Up? Because today's Cat Throw Up Thursday. It's the one day of the week where David makes cat throw up for dinner. What's all that green stuff? Huh? Oh, this is cat turds, Junior. Delicious, delicious cat turds. Ew, that's gross. So, I want to ask you, Dad. I found all this stuff in the attic. What is this? Oh, you found my old Rockstar outfit. Wait, Rockstar outfit? You were a rock star once before? Yeah, I used to be a rock star before, Junior. And let me tell you, those were the days. I played on stage in front of millions of people. I got super famous with all the fans, the paparazzi, everyone. And I even trashed thousands of hotel rooms and never once got in trouble for it. Wait, you trashed hotel rooms? That sounds amazing. What's your dad? What's this? Oh, you found my old accordion. This is the instrument I played on stage when I was a rock star. Wait, really? Yeah. I didn't need no guitar, no bass drums, no drums, no cymbals, no keyboard, no cowbell, no tambourine, no nothing. Just my outfit, my accordion, and I. Okay. Well, I didn't know you used to be a rock star, Dad. Why didn't you tell me? I was waiting for the right time, son. You're getting old too fast, and there's just some things I can't tell you when you're still too young. Oh. Well, can you play something for me right now? Okay. Okay, I guess I could play you a song for... I guess I will play you a song. Just give me a minute to get changed into all this stuff, okay? Okay. Ew. Okay, for real. We've really got to make sure David gets better at his cooking. I mean, Cat Throw Up Thursday, and a whole bunch of cat turds. It's gross. Okay, Junior, I'm ready. Here I am, Junior. All decked out in my outfit, my collar, and I got my accordion in my hands. Okay, so you're gonna play a song now? Yep. So, here we go. Whoa! That's amazing. How was he able to make that music with just an accordion? That's incredible. No wonder he was so famous. This music is incredible. Well, son, what'd you think of that? I didn't need any of those other instruments. It's no guitar, no drums, no keyboard, no cymbals, no cowbell, no tambourine, just my little old accordion. Whoa, Dad, that was amazing. But why? How are you able to make that kind of music with an accordion? Or, I mean, aren't accordions supposed to sound a lot like pianos, except just, crumpling up and down like this? Yeah, most accordions, but for some reason, this accordion is able to make the music you just heard just now. Yeah, I know, guys. I know what you're gonna say in the comments, and yes, even I'll admit, it is pretty odd. But hey, have you even seen our show? Odd is like its middle name, Monkey Odd Tales. Yeah, but still, Dad, that was a really great song. Well, thanks, Junior. I aim to please. Oh, and also, Dad, something about your outfit. I mean, the mask and the shirt look pretty cool, but why are you wearing a chain? I mean, look at you. You're wearing a little collar connected by a chain. Oh, yeah. You see, they decided that considering I'm a monkey, I probably would act crazy on stage. So they decided to make me wear a chain and chain me to the stage so I don't do anything crazy. Wow, that's messed up. They chained you to and all because you're a monkey? Yeah, I mean, I know. Oh, I mean, I know they saw that I was a monkey, and that to keep me from doing anything crazy on stage, they had to chain me to the floor. I know it sounds messed up, but can you really blame them? I mean, I'm a wild animal. In fact, a lot of the people in this house are wild animals. Except for David, I don't know what he is. Yeah, I mean, I guess you can't really blame him for... I guess you can't really blame them for chaining you to the floor just because you're a wild animal, but that's still pretty messed up. Yeah. In fact, I had to go to court. In fact, I took him to court, and and then I won, and they stopped chaining me to the floor, but I still wear the chain just to look cool. Okay. But anyway, Dad, that was really good music. Oh, maybe we should go show it to Cody. Oh yeah, we could do that. I mean, yeah, Eddie's in the room just right next door. Yeah, we could go into Cody's lab and show Cody. Yeah, okay, let's go. Okay, Dad. Eh, eh. Okay, almost did. There. Oh, come on. Stand upright, robot. Okay. Okay, robot. I'm gonna need you to go lie down for a little bit. You're all topsy turvy now. I think you should stop drinking so much oil. You better go take a nap. Okay, hunky god with rock hard abs.
Banana.
Okay, hopefully he'll be fine in the morning. I told him not to drink all that oil. He's gonna have a hard time standing up. Hey, Cody. Hey, Junior. Hey. Whoa! Nice duds, Pops. Yeah, I know. It's pretty sweet. Hey, why do you have an accordion, though? Oh, that's what we came to tell you. Wait. Oh, wait, don't tell me. You used to be a rock star. Yeah, wait, how'd you know? Lucky guess. I knew from the instrument and the sick clothes that you were a rock star. Also, I heard your conversation in the other room, and I heard the awesome music that somehow came from this accordion, I'm guessing. Yep. This is my award-winning accordion right here. Yeah, I'm still befuddled about how an accordion can make the music I heard from the other room. Cody. Odd is like our show's middle name. Of course the accordion is also going to be odd. Yeah, you do got a fair point. Well, can you play anything else? Okay then. Whoa! Now that's even better than from the one that I heard from the other room. How was it able to do that? I don't know, Cody. Pretty strange, but still cool. That is just amazing. Where do I get an accordion like that, Junior? I don't know. Maybe at the music store down the block? But it's sure not gonna. But it's not gonna be as good as Dad's. He has the best accordion. Oh, that is good. That is some good music right there. Junior, you're right. That is the best at this. I just wish it was all on camera. Oh wait, it is. Wow, this is even better than the last song. Yeah, I know. Yeah, this is really great. Oh yeah. This is amazing. I know, right? Well, there you go. Wow, Dad, that was amazing. Yeah, no, that's even better than the last one. Thanks, you guys. Well, I'm gonna go take all my clothing and my accordion and just put it in the, I don't know, put it in the bench or something. Put it under the bench or inside the bench in my room. Oh, so does that mean you're done being a musician? Actually, you know what? No, I think I'm gonna start my own band. I mean, back when I used to be a rock star, I was the only musician. I could start a band. You know what? As soon as I put this away, I'm gonna go see if your mother and Uncle Frank want to be in my band. He does know that Uncle Frank is a ghost now, right? So what does that have to do with Uncle Frank joining my dad's band? I guess nothing. Yeah. Anyway, I think I'm gonna go play with my toys. Yeah. And I gotta go hide all the oil so that my robot doesn't drink it all again.